20 things to stop buying in 2025. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing things differently. We're on a mission to save the planet. Let's dive into 20 things to ditch for a sustainable life. Break up with items hurting our planet. Stick around for easy swaps and DIY alternatives. Ready to change the world? Let's get started. First up, let's talk clothes. Instead of buying cheap clothes that fall apart, invest in quality pieces that last. Use sustainable fabrics like hemp, a fast-growing plant, or linen, a durable fabric from the flax plant. Recycled polyester is also a better option than cotton fiber. Next up, single-use plastics. Water bottles are expensive. Use a water filter, get rid of plastic bags, packaging. Oh, it's everywhere and it's gotta go. Let's make a change now. Love new tech? Before trashing that old phone, upgrade it or find a refurbished gem. 4. Razor sharp and eco-friendly. Disposable razors are convenient, but they clog landfills. Switch to safety razors or electric shavers. Snack smarter, not harder. Packaged snacks are convenient, but create bulk snack packs with reusable containers or handmade fabric pouch bags. Cleaning up our act naturally. Toxic cleaning products out. We're making our own with vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. It's cheaper, safer, and better for the planet. Number 7, say no to fake fragrances. Artificial fragrances are everywhere. Opt for natural essential oils or fresh herbs instead. 8. Home-cooked heroes. Fast food is tempting, but home cooking is healthier, cheaper, and reduces waste. Meal prep saves money and energy. 9. Natural beauty, inside and out. Ditch chemical-laden products and switch to natural, cruelty-free brands or even DIY your own. Furniture with a past and a future. New furniture is costly. Explore second-hand, refurbished, or build your own. Eat local, eat seasonal. Say no to exotic fruits flown in from miles away. Support your local farmers. Enjoy seasonal produce. Hydrate smart, not plastic. Plastic water bottles. So last year we're all about reusable bottles now. Conventional batteries, alternative, use rechargeable batteries and invest in solar chargers for devices. "14. Switch to eco-friendly toothbrushes. Say goodbye to plastic and say hello to bamboo, electric, or beechwood toothbrushes for a greener planet. 15. We don't always need to buy everything new. Normalize borrowing or renting items we seldom use, from tools to appliances. 16. Time to put our money where our mouth is and support companies with sustainable practices or green investment funds. 17. Let's ditch harsh chemicals in hair products and opt for natural alternatives like shampoo bar with recyclable or compostable packaging. 18. Sip sustainably. Plastic straws? No way. We're all about stylish metal, silicone, or bamboo straws for our drinks. 19. Conventional tissues and paper towels. Alternative, switch to reusable cloth napkins and handkerchiefs, significantly reducing unnecessary paper waste. 20. Rethink your ride. Before buying another gas guzzler, explore eco-friendly options like public transport, biking, carpooling, or electric vehicles today. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Join the movement. Thanks for watching. Every small change can lead to a big impact on our planet. We can't wait to see what you do. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to join the movement. Subscribe for more tips on sustainable living. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Together, we can make a difference. See you next time.